Hi everyone, it's Dr. Deanna Tyler from Apex Brain Centers, and before we get started on this challenge, I wanted to also take the time to go over the difference in cooking methods and how they have an impact on the glycemic index of food. So the glycemic index is basically a level to see how fast the blood glucose raises, which is our blood sugar, and it's going to have a lot of impact not only on how we feel, since it's been associated with depression, but also on things in the future such as dementia, since it's been known to be associated with Alzheimer's disease. So we're on this challenge trying to improve our brain function. So regulating our blood sugar is a large component of it, which is why we're removing all added or artificial sweeteners. So we don't want to increase our sugar load by taking things such as sweet potatoes or regular potatoes and baking them in the oven, because that essentially is going to turn them into simple sugars, which is going to do the same thing as having the sugar in your food would do. So this is something to consider when you're picking up starchy vegetables, and it's an easy choice to make because in a sense we're all trying to feel better and we know the repercussions of having unregulated blood sugar levels. On top of that, it's also been associated with actually firing the same pathways in your brain that have to do with rewards and craving. And so therefore, when you're eating high glycemic index foods, it's actually going to make it harder for you to do successful Whole30 challenges or any other discipline where you're trying to limit certain intake of foods that you know are hard for you to remove from your diet. So this is something else to consider as we get started on this challenge, and it's just always important to regulate our blood sugar and to stay on top of it.